Good morning. You are listening Pooja Kushwaha, your news anchor of Lava Farah Media. Here we bring you latest updated news of 19th June from around the world. WHO official says malaria drugs won't stop coronavirus deaths. Dr. Swaminathan said in a press briefing on Thursday that there is still a gap in determining whether hydroxychloroquine has a role at all in prevention or minimizing the severity of the illness in early infection or even in preventing it. COVID-19 patients without disease symptoms may have weaker immune response. It found that these patients had an average duration of viral shedding of 19 days, compared with 14 days in another group of 37 patients who showed symptoms of the disease. Delhi COVID-19 death toll rises to 123. City reports 425 fresh cases, taking tally to 8,895. In a health bulletin issued on Friday, the Delhi Health Department said the death toll from the coronavirus infection in the national capital has risen to 123. The national capital, however, did not report any death due to coronavirus in the last 24 hours, the data revealed. India confirms participation in trilateral with China and Russia on June 23. India has lodged a strong protest with China over the violent clashes in the Galwan Valley in Ladakh on Monday night. In death, soldiers provide roads, street lights to their impoverished villages. Punjab Pollution Control Board mulls biological treatment to check water contamination in Fazilka. Bhatinda Punjab Pollution Control Board has decided to introduce in situ bioremediation to check groundwater. Rahul Gandhi japs Niti Aayog over COVID-19 prediction get a prompt rebuttal. Niti Aayog Chief Executive Officer Amitabh Kant later tweeted his rebuttal to Rahul Gandhi. Top China Parliament body to review Hong Kong security legislation. The draft legislation specifies the definition of 4 crimes: separatist activity, state subversion, terrorist activity, and collusion with foreign forces, Xinhua reported. Black Lives Matter Global Network Foundation established $12 million grant fund. The Black Lives Matter Network has established a fund worth more than $12 million to aid organizations fighting institutional racism in the wake of George Floyd protest. Panama Canal sees 21% drop in crossing amid pandemic. The coronavirus pandemic has hurt international trade and economic activity around the globe. Just 937 ships used the Panama Canal and last month, while there were 260 cancellations of crossings, Canal Administrator Ricard Vasquez said. I'm Pooja Kushwaha. Come with new updates tomorrow. Stay tuned with us. Have a great day ahead. Thank you.